Good morning, friends. Hello, hello from lovely snowy Snowdonia. I'm going again up to Mount Snowdon. I just decided in the last moment. I was let me clear the lens. I didn't plan to go nowhere this weekend, but yesterday I woke up with the thoughts that I want to go somewhere, and here am I to Mount Snowdon. Lovely weather, a lot of ice, not a lot of snow, but a lot of ice. Everything is frozen, as you can hear. Nice sound from the ice. The air is so fresh and clean. It's just amazing, just amazing. I just saw the rescue helicopter was spinning around us. Hopefully everybody's okay, nobody get injured, because in this weather you easily can do it. And yeah, oh, here we go. Let me show you what view it's coming in front of me. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? Oh my god, lovely. And I'm going up there. Even you cannot see where I'm going. Mount Snowdon, it's covered with fog and clouds, so I hope it's gonna clear away, so we'll have some beautiful winter snowing views from up there. Alright guys, let me get into the hike. Let me just concentrate on my path because it's quite slippery, and I'll see you soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. How happy is he? Snow, mountains, he's running up and down, so happy. Have a look. No. As I'm approaching the summit, slowly, I can feel the wind. It's getting windy. Hopefully it's gonna dry out my pants. Hey. Yeah, so alright guys, keep going. As I was walking at the beginning on Miner's track, I just saw this steep path which is connecting to peak track, and I couldn't resist to go on it, so I'm going on peak track from Miner's track, and I'll see how does it looks like for Crib Goch. I don't think I'm prepared today, especially my crampons are not very good enough. I have my ice axe with me, but my crampons are not the best, so I'll see how does it looks like. I'll keep you in touch. Welcome to the frozen kingdom. The only problem it is the rain. Yes. I don't see anything. These goggles are useless. I don't see anything through them. The fog is so thick. And this rain, he messed up everything, because it's supposed to snow, not rain. And this is one of the reasons I didn't take my waterproof pants. But yeah, this is good good example why you always should bring them, especially in cold weather like this. Look, everything here on the top is frozen. Not view at all. Not view at all. Yeah, this is how it looks like on Snowdon. I have 5 minutes more to the summit. Okay guys, let me get to the summit and I'll see you there. See you in a bit. I'm nearly there. I'm just joking. Here we go. Yay! Celebrate the first proper winter summit in UK. And it is Mount Snowdon. Woohoo! Yes. So guys, I had my tea next to the train station, and there were a few guys who was a little bit of lost, and so I'll have a company on the way down with me. I'm not gonna be able to film a lot because, as you can see, the weather is still the same, fog and a lot of wind, so you're not gonna be able to see much. I'll try to film when I get down. Don't worry, you'll get there. You don't have to worry about. Yeah, down there it's easier.
Clears up, doesn't it?
almost the end of my adventure today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, because I really did. It was amazing winter hiking, a lot of snow, a lot of ice, a lot of action and adrenaline. So yeah, I will leave you to see the scenery surrounding me. This is it. I get changed. I'm on the car park. I will go and have a hot chocolate in the pub next to the beginning of Miner's Path, just to warm myself a little bit. I was able to help few guys who get lost up there on Mount Snowdon, and I'm happy that I was able to help them. So if you watch this, guys, greetings from me and all the best. Next time be prepared. And as I was changing myself, I saw just one guy casually knocked on my window, and he asked me, can I help them and give them a lift to the car park at the beginning of walking path. So I think today is day just to helping the people, and I'm very happy to do it. This is pretty much everything, guys. Here you go. I'm just in front of the pub and hotel, hostel, not hotel. As you can see, cafe open from 10 till 10, food served, ucha, or whatever is the pronunciation. This is it. And yeah, I'll have a hot chocolate to warm myself and taking the road to home. So let me get inside. Hot chocolate. I'll have a nice cherry amber cake. Looks amazing. Hopefully it will be. Rain again. So this is everything from today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy my day, my trip. Should I say, just type a comment below if you want to say something. Like, subscribe, it's gonna be big support for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.